was introduced to Smart Wall Paint by a supplier of our interactive projectors. He explained to me that this was a new product that was set to revolutionise whiteboards, blackboards and even eliminate their usage altogether.
We have our whole wall painted with the Smart Wall Paint, so we use that as a projection tool. There's lots of games that we have installed on our laptop, so I can use the games interactively, or anything that's on the internet or anything like that, I can use it interactively, or the children can use it with the pen. It's doing what a whiteboard does, but I've just got a lot more space to do it on. The children love using the tables especially. They love being able to write on the tables and then wipe it off, and it's pretty easy because if they make a mistake, it's gone straight away, or they can correct their own work.